let's open up that 3D printer slicer that came with your 3D printer. When you do that, you're going to need to have a file to import or to load. And where we're going to get that file is the one that we started to create here in Tinkercad. We're going to download that. We're going to download that as an STL file. STL. I'm going to name it, put it on my desktop here, and now I can load this file into my 3D slicer. Once it's loaded in there, I make the adjustments that I want to make, scale it, whatever. Then I'm going to export it back out to my desktop so that way I can put it on that SD card or on that flash drive that came with my printer. And I can print it. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Figma.